Buddypress is a free plugin in WordPress. It lets you build a social networking site right on your WordPress website. You can add things like user profile, activity feeds, groups, and messaging with Buddypress. It's like bringing Facebook style feature to your own website. BuddyPress is super customizable and easy to extend, meaning you can make it fit your need and can get creative with it. If you want to make a community site or add social networking feature to your WordPress website, then you have probably got only few options here. Either you can use Pepso plugin, or you can use BuddyBoss platform, or you can use BuddyPress. While Pepso and BuddyBoss platform, they looks nice and their support is good, but they are paid plugin. On the other hand, BuddyPress is totally free and open source plugin handled by the entire WordPress community. So in this video, we will get a basic idea of BuddyPress plugin installation. So let's start. This is one of my localhost website, which I've specifically created for BuddyPress demo. I will go in the admin panel of this and click on plugins and then add new plugin, and then I will search for BuddyPress here. I will click on install now and then activate the plugin. You will see a pop-up like this after activation. Version 12.0.0 is a big update of BuddyPress plugin. Right now the newest version is 12.0.2 when I'm recording this video. This update makes BuddyPress even better for the future, I can say. One of the important changes that has been done in this version is PP rewrite API. We will not go in deep into it right now in this video, but surely we will cover it in the future videos. Sometimes your site or your theme might not work with BuddyPress 12.0 because it's a fresh coded plugin, so there might be compatibility issues, or there might be that your theme is not ready for BuddyPress 12.0.0. So if that happens, then you can go for the BuddyPress classic version, and you can click on this link and activate the BuddyPress classic version plugin into your website. So now let's close this pop-up and take a quick look of the BuddyPress settings. So when we activate BuddyPress plugin, we basically see these two new tabs here. One is activity and email. In the activity tabs, you see the entire site level activities that has been done to the BuddyPress. And from the email section, you basically can edit the email template that is used by the BuddyPress features. Like this is the template of welcome email. And if you go to settings, there you will find one more tab called BuddyPress. And if you click on this tab, you see all the settings related to BuddyPress plugin. So in the component tab, whatever you see, these are the core feature of BuddyPress. Among them, the first is extended profile. If you enable this option, then BuddyPress will provide you features to add more profile field. Like you can add a profile field, for example, date of birth or education, or maybe first name, last name, or whatever. You can add more custom fields when you enable this extended profile option. Account setting will allow users to to control their account. Like for example, in Facebook, we have an option to block user, we have an option to make our post public, private. So similarly, BuddyPress, based on the BuddyPress capability, BuddyPress provide this account setting so that user can manage their account from their end. Friend connection, so it's like Facebook, where people can connect or send a friend request to each other and can become a friend of each other. So similarly, through friend connection feature of BuddyPress, you can allow your site users to have friend with each other. They can send a friend request to each other. Private messaging, similar like Facebook. Through private messaging feature of BuddyPress, the user of your website can communicate with each other privately. Activity streams is similar to Facebook feed, where something that you type, you can make it globally available for all the users, or you can make it private for friend only. So similarly, BuddyPress activity stream help the site users to post activity, or to post a feed or something. Notification module of BuddyPress will help users to notify for different events, like if somebody commented on something, on some activity, or somebody mentioned them in an activity, or somebody sent them friend request, somebody sent them private message, they will get a notification here. Right now you can see you have one new important admin notification. So similarly, the user can see the notification there in the admin bar. User group. So same like Facebook, through BuddyPress, your site users can create their private public groups. So if you enable this feature, then user will get an option to create groups. So site tracking basically record all the activity, all the new posts, all the comments. Site tracking feature will record them. If somebody commented on some post, then this site tracking, if you enable this option, then it will notify it in the activity stream. So these are the default feature of BuddyPress. For now, I'm just keeping it all to default. I'm not enabling it, but in future coming videos of this series, we will see each and every feature in detail, and we will see how they works and all. In the URL tab, this is basically remodified, I can say. Previously, there was an option where you can choose the pages, the WordPress pages that is specifically designed for the BuddyPress specific pages. I'm not sure if I'm clear here, but now it has been modified. So for example, BuddyPress provide this activity page. If you open this URL, you see here user will get an option. In this activity page, user get an option to post activity. So it's a BuddyPress page. So through the new feature of BuddyPress, or through the new advancement in the 12.0.0 and the upcoming version of the BuddyPress provide you an option to edit the URL or edit the title of the page just from the URL section. For example, here you have the member page. You can change it to, instead of member page, you can change the slug to users if you don't want the slug to say members. For example, if I open this right now, you see site URL / members, and here you see list of all the members. Now if I change the slug to users and I save the changes, now the URL become this site name / URL, and the existing URL probably it will be 404. So this is how you can basically now change the title of the page or slug of the BuddyPress pages. And it is not just limited to the main pages. You can even change to the further sub pages of BuddyPress. So BuddyPress now provided you option to change every possible pages of BuddyPress. You can change the slug of them through the URL tab. We will see all these things in deep in the upcoming videos of this series, but for now we are just taking a walkthrough. In the option tab, basically you get many options like a toolbar if you want to enable this particular toolbar for the user, whom you want this community to be visible, anyone or member only. You can decide here. uh, these are the two templates of BuddyPress. I'm just keeping it to the default. Account deletion option: if you want the registered user can delete their account, you can activate it. If you want a profile photo upload option, it is already enabled, you can enable or disable it. So similarly, you have the other options here. Notification tab, you can read it loud here. It says that 12.0 is a major release, major code changes, overhauling that the way that BuddyPress built and the parse URL. So if you find that your site is not working with the current version, then try installing the PP Classic version add-on, which we already seen. So if your site is not working correctly with the BuddyPress 12.0.0 or the upcoming version, then you can switch to the PP Classic version anytime. Then you will get the default or existing look of BuddyPress. And these are the heroes behind BuddyPress. So this is how the site looks right now with the default WordPress theme. So now the next thing that I will do is I will go here in appearance theme, click on add new, and I will search for a BuddyPress specific theme. Let's talk about BuddyX. I will install this theme. Let's activate it. Okay, so this plugin have many other options. I will just keep it as it is and refresh the page. Okay, so this is how my site looks now. Now the next thing, I will go here in appearance and then in menu, and I will create a menu. I will make it primary menu. Okay. And select it as the primary menu. See, I don't see any option here for BuddyPress. So the one thing that I will have to do is enable BuddyPress members, enable BuddyPress directory. Now you see the tabs, right? I will select these two pages which are specific to BuddyPress. Let's save the changes here, and now let's refresh the page. There you go. Now if I click on members, this is the member directory where where you can see a list of all the members, and activity where you can post activity. So that's it for today, guys. In the next video, we will see these settings in detail, and we will basically make this series a stepwise manner or stepwise learning to create a community site using BuddyPress and WordPress. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and hit the bell icon for stay updated with the next video. So see you in the next video. Have a good day.